Hi, my name is Michael and I'm the Principal Chiropractor here at Chichester Chiropractic Health Centre. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use a cervical or neck Denneroll. The Denneroll is designed to help to retrain the curve back into the neck, help to take pressure off the joints, help to stretch the muscles, and overall complement what we're trying to achieve with our adjustments. Now, when using the Denneroll, at first you want to start using it for very small amounts of time, starting maybe 20 or 30 seconds twice a day, and looking to slowly increase that. I often say by 30 seconds a day until you get up to 5 or 10 minutes, whichever feels best for you. This is going to be over a fair period of time. We're looking anything from 3 to 12, sometimes even 24 months. But that really depends on a case-by-case basis, determinant of the condition of the spine when you come in to see us. Now, if you get any discomfort while you're doing this, please keep the time relatively low at first. It's not always going to be the most comfortable thing, especially when you do drop the head back. However, with repetition, this will get easier and easier. Now, if for whatever reason doing this increases your symptoms, if it feels worse after doing it, please let your chiropractor know at your next appointment. They'll work out why and maybe give you some adaptations on how you can change your use of it to make it more comfortable. Otherwise, let's walk you through this awesome tool. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through how to use a cervical or neck Denneroll. Now, this is a really useful tool, as I said, for helping to retrain that curve into the neck. Now, it does come with a leaflet. I'd recommend you reading prior to use, but it does say on here, shoulders this side. So always make sure when you're using this, it's positioned so that the shoulders are sitting on that side of the block. So you can see it has a very unique shape, and this is designed for the head to drop back over, to curve the neck and help to encourage that correct curvature over a period of time. So for this, you're going to lay onto your back. You're going to position it so it sits into the small of the neck, and then let the head drop back and over it. And that's it. You're just going to sit there for maybe 20 seconds at first, 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Some people will even use this for 10 minutes. Now, the longer you've used this for, or if you're very new to using it, when you first come to get off it, take the hand, take the weight of the head, slide it out, and let the head just drop back onto the floor. It doesn't seem like much, but it's encouraging a significant movement, and you can initially, when you come off it, feel a little vulnerable, which is why I just like to lay there for just 10, 15, 20 seconds. Let your neck relax back into a normal position, or what has become normal for you anyway, before you then suddenly come to get up. That's just going to help you to get the most out of using this. So just to walk you through this again, shoulders this side, place it into the small of the neck, and just let that head drop back and over it. Really simple. If you have any questions, please bring it in to see your chiropractor, and they'll walk you through the ins and outs of exactly how may be best for you. Otherwise, enjoy what is one of the best tools for helping to complement the adjustments that we're doing and retraining that curve back into the neck. Enjoy it.